Hi, hey y'all, Hanson here from Ivey.forge and Homestead. So just getting off work, head to the house. Long weekend, Memorial Day weekend. So I thank you all, my brothers and sisters. I remember all the fallen, and definitely appreciate every single one of you. Gave the ultimate sacrifice. We're going to be rolling into the summer months. It's going to be getting hot. That's all right. I like the hot. I like the hot a little bit better than I do the cold. All right, so I'm a blacksmithing channel along with some other stuff, but I haven't been doing a whole lot of blacksmithing videos, and I'm going to tell you guys why. So I actually had a shoulder injury when I was in the military, and it was a few months ago here at work. I re-aggravated that surgery, or that injury that I had on my right shoulder. Yes, it's my hammer hand, my dominant hand. I'm pretty sure, I haven't seen the doctor yet, obviously all the stuff that's going down. My doctor, his office has been closed, and I could go out to the VA to visit them, but the VA is not the greatest, and it's kind of a long trip. Not a long trip, but it's a little over an hour. It's an hour drive to get out to the VA. So I'd prefer not to do that if I don't have to. But I'm pretty sure that it's a rotator cuff tear. That's what I had previously. Pretty bad one. I had to get shots for that. I never had to get the surgery, just the shots. So, and a lot of rest. So as of right now, I'm just I've been ignoring it. I'm just hoping it'd go away. It's not going away. It's actually getting worse. So it's affecting my sleep. And so I'm just going to get as much rest on my shoulder as possible. I'm going to ice it. I'm going to do that whole everything, right? Of, getting it back to where I need to be. That way I can get back into the smithy and doing those things, those projects I need to get done, and the stuff I want to do for y'all, right? But I do have some footage of the brackets that I've been making. They're not 100% done. I wanted to wait until they were done before I put out a video, but I'm gonna go ahead and post that up with this explanation of why I really haven't been putting out a whole lot of blacksmithing content. All right, so I definitely thank you all for sticking by me whenever it comes to the blacksmith content, and I know you guys haven't known that I was injured, so I'm putting that out now. All right, so go check it out, enjoy, and whenever the project actually gets finished, I'll post up pictures to the Instagram and Facebook page. All right, love y'all, and enjoy the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to the temporary shop. So I'm out here in the cold. Probably can't see it on camera, but it's actually snow flurrying just a little bit. But I gotta get this project done. So we're back at it, day 2, trying to get these brackets knocked out for the shelf. All right, let's get to it, y'all. Alright, so I got all these parts done. That's all the L brackets. I mean, they're not 100% square yet, but at least not the last one. I mean, they're pretty close. So I'm still going to have to heat them up to be able to shape them to be able to get the other piece in. So I'm not too worried about them being 100% square right this second. I will make sure that they're pretty square whenever I go to put them onto the wall.